Hi, it's Bruce, and welcome to my Rocky Mountain shop. And today we're taking a look at a Aerovox model ALD-22 Decade Inductor, covering the range of 0 to 100 millihenries of inductance. Does it in 10 steps of 10 millihenries per step. It's in nice condition. It's a solid steel box. I have several others that you might have seen on eBay recently, covering different ranges. We're going to put it through its paces and see how she comes out. This particular unit handles 80 milliamps of DC maximum. It says so right on the panel. And it says 79 milliamps. I rounded up 1 milliamp, excuse me. And it's a 2% device, so the tolerance on every one of the steps is 2%. We're going to see on our test how we come out to that. We're going to use this DER-EE LCR meter. It's a DE5000. Does a really good job of nailing the inductance and capacitance. I've checked with other standards that I have here, and it calls it out really good. So we'll use that as our standard, and if you'll bear with me, I'll hook her up and we'll get going. All right, we've got the DER-EE connected up. We're on our first step of inductance, and we read 9.862 millihenries. On the 20 millihenry step, we are reading 19.918 millihenries. On the 30 millihenry step, 29.79 millihenries. 40 millihenry step, we got 39.74 millihenries. 50 millihenry step, we've got 49.59. 60 millihenry step, we've got 59.63 millihenries. 70 millihenry step, we got 69.47. 48. On the 80 millihenry step, we got 79.32. 90 millihenry step, we got 89.36. And on the 100 millihenry step, we got 99.17. Okay, so we'll pump these numbers into the spreadsheet and see what the errors come out like, and we'll get right back to you. Okay, so we crank the numbers in to the spreadsheet here, and what we see is our maximum error is about 1.38% low. That's at the lowest 10 millihenry setting, but that's 0.6% under the spec. So we're still within spec by more than 0.5% at that point, and the rest of them are well under 1%. So we're doing very well here. We're 0% out of spec on this unit. Okay, so happy bidding. Thank you for watching, and catch up with me next time.